go ahead, do it. Now, fact, तूने एक ट्वीट किया और वो ट्वीट है कि AI might be the last invention. क्यों? इसके बाद कोई इन्वेंशन ही नहीं होगा? जिस स्पीड से बढ़ रहा है AI, हम कुछ और इन्वेंट नहीं कर पाएंगे
यार?
What do you mean by this tweet?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I wrote it today.
Okay.
Right, while I was coming here and your team pulled it out already. So मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि राज, हम लोग लास्ट टाइम जब मिले, maybe about 45 days back,
Yeah.
to do this, till now, the acceleration has just gone up like this. Okay, and अभी तक मैं ये बोल रहा था कि यार it's scary. It is scary, but right now I'm shitting bricks.
क्यों?
You get the difference?
Yeah.
Because if you look at technology valuations of all these AI models and वो कैसे proceed कर रहे हैं, वो bonkers है. So I'll give you a few examples. Okay. Let's say there is a benchmark called as OS World.
Okay.
Right? वो benchmark क्या करता है? वो benchmark ये देखता है how is AI able to use a computer well. कंप्यूटर मतलब क्या है? ब्राउजर खोल के वेबसाइट जा रहा है. अगर तेरे को अमेजोन में कुछ खरीदना हो तो क्या करता है? amazon.com जाता है, प्रोडक्ट ऐड टू कार्ट करता है, शिपिंग डिटेल्स डालता है एंड चेकआउट करता है. दैट इज हाउ यू यूज द इंटरफेस. एंड इट वाज वेरी वेल अंडरस्टूड कि यार अगर AI, अगर हमारे लिए सब कुछ करना है तो AI हैज टू लर्न हाउ टू यूज कंप्यूटर आल्सो. राइट, जो वेबसाइट 2 और में यूज कर सकते हैं, AI भी यूज करना है. OS वर्ल्ड इज दैट बेंचमार्क which checks how good is AI in using a computer versus a human. Last time when we were talking, humans were still better.
Okay.
This time when we were talking, AI is better at using things on internet better than human.
Wow.
Already. That is the OS world benchmark. I think it has scored some 73-74%, while humans are at 72%. So next time हम जब बात कर रहे हैं, maybe it will be 2x. उसका the reason why it is crazy, I'll tell you, is अगर AI is able to use something that is made for humans, how good it will be when it is tuned for AIs. उसका मतलब क्या है? Now I'll tell you what is scaring me right now. कंप्यूटर तो यूज कर लिया, लेकिन हाँ ठीक है ना, ह्यूमन से थोड़ा बेटर है. And then Google and Microsoft together for the first time wrote a paper, built a technology called as WebMCP.
क्या होता है?
उसका नाम है WebMCP. MCP होता है मॉडल कॉन्टेक्स्ट प्रोटोकॉल, जो जिस एंथ्रोपिक ने क्रिएट किया था फॉर AI to be able to use tools instead of API. It was a new protocol. I'll not get into technicalities, okay? But वो जो MCP करके जो टेक्नोलॉजी क्रिएट हुआ था, that was created for apps which had API. API is basically automate अगर कुछ भी करना है. You need access to that software's backend. Simplest way possible. Now techies will be like, this is not what API is, but I'm trying to explain it to someone who doesn't understand tech. If you want anyone, automated system to use a app, वो API से होता है.
Okay.
Zapier सुना होगा? Zapier, Make, ये सब, वो सब API on the backend, it works on API. But अगर वेबसाइट है, Amazon.com है और Flipkart.com है, right? This is created for humans, consumers. वहाँ API नहीं होता है. API अलग चीज़ों के लिए होता है, but using the website के लिए API नहीं रहता है. As a result, MCP भी नहीं होता है. But WebMCP is a protocol जो क्या करता है पता है? वो डेवलपर्स को बोल रहा है, जब आप एक वेबसाइट बना रहे हो, सुंदर वुंदर करते हो वेबसाइट ह्यूमंस के लिए, which is UX. But if you want AI agents to use it well, build it with the support of WebMCP protocol. जहाँ डेवलपर अभी ये बोल सकता है, listen, अगर ह्यूमन यूज करता है वेबसाइट को, देन आप ये ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट बनाए आपके लिए, या UI UX अच्छा बनाए, so that every human can use it, right? WebMCP is a UI for AI agents. जो कंप्यूटर यूज मैंने बोला ना अभी, जो ह्यूमंस का यूजर इंटरफेस AI यूज कर रहा है, इट इज बेटर देन ह्यूमंस बाय अ couple of % right now. Now with WebMCP getting implemented in a couple of years, it can use the websites that you're using at 100 times, maybe 10, 15, 20, 100 times the speed.
So what will happen if AI starts using my website?
AI can do everything that you are doing, no? क्या ही बचा है और? AI can write code better than every other human being already. You know this, the benchmarks are broken, everything. AI can solve physics, maths, chemistry, everything around it better than a human. AI agents were able to do a lot of tasks all by itself. Now it can also do tasks which are on computer use. anything that revolves around using a computer, a AI can fundamentally do better than all of us already.
So tell me, but जो outputs होते हैं, okay, let's say ये ABC kind of tasks AI बहुत better कर लेगा, right? जो creativity led चीज़ें, जो original thinking led चीज़ें, वो AI अच्छे से कर सकता है यार. Isn't AI like, doesn't it mean कि दुनिया में जितनी चीज़ें हैं उसका average निकाल के it gives you an output?
It is true because वो पूरा ट्रेन हुआ है on information that is available on the internet. ये जो तू पॉइंट बोला है ना, वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. I was meeting Alex, who is the head of AI for Meta, Alex Wong, right? And I asked this question because मुझे भी पूछना था. So I asked Alex कि यार लोग बोलते हैं यही नैरेटिव हर जगह चलता है ना कि यार AI is very good with a lot of things, but it still needs a human.
Yeah.
Out of 10 jobs, one job will continue to exist, but that one job will be to manage these AI agents because original thinking जो तू बोला, creativity जो बोला, शायद AI के पास नहीं है. And that is called as orchestration. So humans will orchestrate AI agents. As a result, they are able to do job of 10 people, 100 people. As a result, दुनिया में 10 जॉब है तो एक जॉब बचेगा. Is the rationale that was coming out. And मैंने last podcast में बोला था ये direction है. That is because humans will मतलब you know I will tell my AI to do this. Open Claw जो मैं अभी दिखाऊंगा अभी तेरे को, that is also doing a lot of things that I was doing before. So it's a 10x multiplier. But here is the question, right? For how long? Because अभी models have started to recursively self-develop. मतलब models are teaching itself how to get better. So we are entering this phase of singularity.
Okay.
Elon Musk तो मतलब singularity is when technology becomes so good that it starts self-developing itself. As a result, it becomes leaps and bounds ahead of a human mankind. Singularity is where all of a sudden AI is in a way running the world. AI has become more powerful than anything else because it's self-developing itself. Right? These are called as recursive models. Like खुद को सिखा रहे हैं AI.
ठीक है.
Right? And that has also started to happen. जो GPT 5.3 Codex करके एक नया मॉडल आया है, OpenAI openly publish किया कि a lot of the code और lot of model development was done by AI itself. जब वो होता है, that is why I said last invention. When AI is able to develop itself and gets better over the course of time, where will a human come in? You get my point?
Yeah.
So for how long will we be orchestrators? I don't think so. And I have debated about this with obviously AI again because that's the smartest person that I can talk to today. On the same thing, मैंने बोला यार अभी तू अगर random ChatGPT को जाके बोलेगा या Claude को जाके बोलेगा या Gemini को जाके बोलेगा कि यार but what do you think will happen to humans? AI will give you basic answer saying you know what, humans will manage other AI agents. As a result, they can multiply. Right? Or become 10x productive. Then मैं यही question पूछा, for how long will humans orchestrate? Because AI will get better than that also. And I pushed it, saying no, it's not possible. I gave it a couple of examples. And then it was like, you're right. You know what? In 2 years, humans will become orchestrators. That will be the case for the next 4-5 years. That is 7 years later. We don't know what will happen. We really don't know what will happen. And this is the question that I asked Alex. How will economy work? If there is nobody doing jobs, if there are 4 or 5 companies which are the most powerful companies in the world who are running the world, पैसे कैसे बनेंगे? यूनिवर्सल बेसिक इनकम बोल रहे हो, पावर लॉ क्या होगा? लोग तो खाना खा लेंगे लेकिन पावर लॉ का क्या होगा? Then you basically will become like राजा और प्रजा. Companies which own AI will be rajas, everybody else is praja. If the companies control to own their AIs, or else the AIs will own those companies and the companies will own us. So that is why I said this could be the last invention of humans, or it could be the biggest mistake ever.
Meaning?
AI could be the biggest mistake ever as well. What if shit goes down? I mean, there is enough evidence.
But do you think कोई control करेगा इसको? Now, like let's say if this is becoming a thing, or economy, jobs सब vanish होने के chances है, so at some point government, world में leaders वो interfere करेंगे and be like,
they can try, but I don't think they can control. And there's enough evidences of that also.